Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am unboxing the Euphorbia January 2018 edition for you guys. And this is how the box looks like. It's a cardboard box and the packaging for this month is done with the moss grass. So it can be a little bit messy if you open it, but it is for the eco-friendly purposes. Let me tell you the price of the box. It is the cheapest subscription box like ever and it cost only 248 rupees. There is also a shipping cost that is 12 rupees. So in total you are just gonna pay about 260 rupees for 1 month. You get total 5 full size products in this box every month. There is also a new year offer going on, that is, so the early 200 subscribers will get a face wash from Balm brand, and it's just for the 200 people that subscribes first. So now let's open up the box. The first thing that you get is this card which contains all the details about the product, like what all stuff you're gonna get, and the total amount is also written on it. How much does each product cost? But you easily get them all for just 260 rupees. Okay, so the first product you get is this bath salt that is in light blue color. I'll show you a close-up of this because you can't see that clearly in this camera setting right now. So yeah, this is a bath salt and it cost about 299 rupees. I haven't used a bath salt before, so I am really looking forward to use this, and I'll share my experiences with you on my Instagram page. So do follow me on the Vogue doll and let's connect. Okay, so the next product in the box is this mascara from the matte look brand, and it cost about 399 rupees. It's a full size mascara and it's in pink color. I'm just gonna open it up and show it to you guys. It says it's jet black and it's long lasting and it's waterproof as well for 24 hours. That I'll have to try and then only I can share my reviews with that. But the look of it, the packaging is really nice. I'm gonna show it to you with close up. The packaging looks really nice and chic. It is in pink matte. It's a very metallic look. It's pink and silver. It's a really nice combo. Open it up. Okay, it's a very nice and a big wand, if you can see that. It's a really nice and big wand. And it smells like apple. Yeah, it smells like an apple juice to me, and I really like apple juice. So yeah, that's that. And you get about 11 ml in this. Okay, so the next item in the box is this eye mask, and it's from a brand Mond'Sub. It's a bio gold collagen eye mask. I personally use only homemade eye masks, so I'm really looking forward to how this one feels and what this does. It says this is supposed to be used simply by just opening it up, applying it on your skin, and just press it down so that it really, snugs to your eyes, and then just leave it for like 15 to 20 minutes and then remove it and then wash your eyes with water, like clean with water. But you do have to avoid the direct eye contact. You're not supposed to open your eyes up. You have to close your eyes and then put this one on top of your eyes and then remove it and then clean it with water and then only to open up your eyes. I think that's how it should work. And it cost about 200 rupees. Okay, so the fourth beauty product that I got in this one is this lip balm. Okay, it is called as Cape of Good Soap and its flavor is spice and orange. It is an anti-chapped lip balm, but the smell of it is really good. Okay, so since I already have my lipstick on, so I'm not gonna apply it on my lips, and with the long nails it's really hard to pick up the lip balm, and I'm just gonna apply it on my skin and see how moisturizing it is. Okay, it does feel very, smooth and what do you call it, moisturizing, like simply like glycerine, and it does feel like that. The smell is good again. I can't really explain how much I'm loving this smell. It is worth about 175 rupees. Okay, so the last item that I got are these earrings. Okay, this is how the earrings looks like. And it has these tassels on a silver ornament, and yeah, it's a very long and pretty earring. I'll just try it on to show you guys how they look. Okay. So this is how I look. I have a choker on and I have these tassel earrings. So totally not going with my outfit right now, but it will go definitely with some boho outfit or like, you know, some ethnic kurta or something like that. But yeah, that's how it looks and that's how big it is, if you can see. And yeah, I really love red color. So yeah, that's how it looks. So yeah, that's it for today's subscription box, guys. It is the cheapest box out there and you get 5 full-size products in it, and the products are actually very decent and genuine. I'll be using them and I'll be sharing my review on my Instagram channel. So gang, go follow me right now if you haven't, and the link will be in the description box as well for my Instagram and Facebook. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell button on so that you never miss any future videos from me. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.